All right, welcome back. Here today we have some crazy price action, some technical, some analysis. We have we have XLM, we got Bitcoin. We have the jig is up. Um, a large contributing factor to my roboticism, if you will, comes from the fact that a lot of the day goes by before I can record these videos. I got a whole lot of me problems throughout the day, living life as a human being on Earth here. It's very strange. Lots goes on within the hours we have throughout what we call a day. But by the time it gets to the recording these videos, it's usually quite late, and I'm low energy at that point in time. But we're going to try to liven it up. We're going to try to bring the momentum. We're going to try to be real here. We're looking at charts and graphs, rectangles, lines. I don't know, man. Like it doesn't get any simpler than this, especially when you have strategy that suits your style, trading style, and whatnot. You just wait for your parameters to be met in your strategy, and you act accordingly. So drop a like on the video if you like the video. Be sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. We're going to look at a whole bunch of different things. We have XLM, we got Bitcoin, we have Waves, which has been doing numbers lately. We're going to check in on that, see what's really going on. And we have an article regarding Visa implementing a program where they will assist creators in building their business with NFTs. So, Visa, if you don't know Visa, they are Visa, similar to MasterCard, but it's Visa. Big credit card conglomerate international company that runs the world, sits in the League of Supervillains circle of caped individuals and dictates the future of the economy. They're getting involved in NFTs, and they want to assist creators in the artistic aspects of business, create their business with NFTs. So very bullish in my opinion. But we're looking at XLM here. We've been making gains. We've been invested ever since my support level, where we dropped 20%. We put 50% when the buy 2 and buy 4 were confirmed, and that 30% went in when the March 21st daily candle opened and closed above my descending trend line there. Technically, that parameter was met simultaneously with the buy 4 as well. So we've been invested fully pretty much ever since the 20-cent level there. So far, we've experienced 16% in gains. If you've been buying from my support level, you've experienced a good 33% in upside here, and we have yet to reach my most significant resistance level, which is still waiting for us at 27 cents. So we're going to watch out for that. Sell pressure, rejections slapped around, by this level. So we're going to watch out for that when we get there. At the moment, keep an eye on 22 cents. Technically, 0.2281 is support at the moment. We need daily candles with their wicks and bodies opening and closing above it. Same parameter that needs to be met with the 27 cent level. Once support is confirmed at 22 cents, I still would not recommend buying at that level, as this would be a much higher risk, price to invest, in my opinion, based on my strategy. A much more significant level of support would be 27 cents once we have the confirmation of support at that level. At the moment, it will be resistance until confirmed as otherwise. So we always go with the flow of the confirmations and watch out for EngineeringRobo. If we look back at a previous instance where the buy 2 and buy 4 came into play in the beginning of February there, we were very close to this 23 cent level. So we do see a potential for increased upside from this price suggested from previous robo advisors. However, bearish robo advisors came into play afterwards, so we did have to adjust our position accordingly, as we always go with the flow of EngineeringRobo. We have a buy 2 back in July in 2021, and you experienced 63% in upside investing into XLM with EngineeringRobo. In addition to, throughout October there, the buy 2 and buy 4 allowed you to experience 38% in upside. So we do anticipate continued upward movement toward resistance. Watch out for pullbacks and retests of support here. Downside and sideways is bullish and healthy in any uptrend. And so right now we are just waiting for further confirmations of key levels here as we make our way toward resistance. Feel free to take profits along the way. However, we always remain 50% invested until EngineeringRobo suggests otherwise. But let me know down below your thoughts on XLM, Bitcoin, and crypto. So the Visa Creator Program is the latest in a string of initiatives that Visa has carried out as it targets the digital creator economy. Visa announced the official launch of the Visa Creator Program, a one-year product strategy and mentorship program for entrepreneurs working in art, music, fashion, and film who seek to accelerate their small business through non-fungible tokens. According to Visa, the goal of the Creator Program is to bring together a global cohort of digital creators and empower them via education of blockchain technology and NFT commerce. So rather interesting, activity here, institutional adoption, increased use cases, all of that jazz coming into play for crypto. We have Visa here, a multi-bajillion dollar unlimited monopoly money company that runs the world, getting involved in NFT technology, blockchain technology, Web3, the metaverse, whether it be Bitcoin accumulation directly. We've just been seeing one after another, multi-billion dollar conglomerates, showing interest in blockchain technology. And so while we are plagued by, scams, rug pulls, and the shady aspects of, humans using advanced technology that we don't understand yet fully, the ones that do understand it will abuse it and will take advantage of those that don't understand it. However, once we all come to the understanding and, we're all on the same page here with this brand new tech, we can fully implement it into day-to-day life and society. So that'll take a few years, I'm sure. But with entities such as, Visa, MasterCard, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, obviously. We even have on the channel, we've covered like LG, Samsung, the newly elected president of like Korea, very bullish on blockchain technology. So a lot of new is occurring in the space here, it would appear. We even have mentioned at the bottom of the article that Visa has purchased a CryptoPunk at $150,000 back in August of 2021. So they've been, buying NFTs, all that and whatnot. But let me know down below your thoughts on this article. Find it in the description. Now we're looking at Waves against Tether. Here it would appear doing some insane upward movements over the last 30 days, since bullish parameters met from EngineeringRobo, technically throughout the middle of February with this combination of Robo advisors. Your investment into Waves experienced 404% in upside, and technically we do not have bearish parameters met yet, so this upside has a chance to continue here, it would appear. However, with 5x in gains, hopefully you were taking profits at my resistance levels here. We're going to quickly flashback, time travel. This is what Waves looked like the last time we looked at it here on the channel under a different combination of Robo advisors. We have the same support and resistance levels, the same descending trend line. However, it is blue currently. This is where we were, looking to invest into Waves, and if we flash back to reality, there goes gravity. As we can see, gravity is, ineffective here as we have proceeded to plow to and through every, sell resistance level, sell pressure overhead that we've been interacting with, about to create some new ones. We're in brand new territory here. All-time highs have been set, and so right now technical parameters are going to be a little iffy until further price action is made. So with the buy for and moon back in February there, you invested it at the $12 level. When the daily candle technically opened and closed above my descending trendline strategy, that would have been a parameter met on the 1st of March, where you would have invested 30% of your investment ratio. And technically, we invest 20% at support, and so we have not interacted with a support level along the way up until this $24.91 level. That is where you were able to put your 20% support-based investment ratio. So price has risen 400%. Since bullish Robo advisors confirmed in February. It's risen 244% since the daily candle opened and closed above my descending trend line, and it's risen 141% since buying at my support level back in the middle of March there. So but let me know down below how much money you made trading Waves using EngineeringRobo, or if you sat on the sidelines wondering why this even happened. So Bitcoin is experiencing resistance at the moment, which is to be expected. You know, I'm sure many traders are anticipating a pullback or retracement at this point in time. It is very much due. Buy pressure is very much present, so I do believe whatever dip we experience may be bought up very quickly here relative to the 4th of December, perhaps, where we experience a dramatic wick to a previous support level, perhaps to my pink zone of stink, strange range of stink again. $42,000 to $40,000 per Bitcoin is going to be a potential range of support we may return to. It's just a hilarious zone we have visualized. The most significant level of support, however, as we all know, is 34,655 all the way back in January. You were able to again in February. If you weren't, we may never return to that level. However, you know, we go with the flow of the confirmations throughout the crypto market. Watch out for $58,202 overhead as the strongest level of resistance here for us. However, a six-figure target is still, in my opinion, awaiting us. That is going to be the soon-to-be revealed FOMO zone. So remember, we bought back at support back in January. Well, we bought 50% when EngineeringRobo confirmed bullish in March, and we had the daily candle close in the 23rd of March there above my descending trend line. So we are invested into Bitcoin with bullish Robo advisors in play. We do anticipate continued gains here, but watch out for pullbacks and retracements in any uptrend. Alrighty, I'm running out of time though. The Fear and Greed Index here still suggesting a potential top near $175,000 per Bitcoin, a far more reasonable price to be potentially speculating a top for this bull run, if you will. I do believe we are about to break upward from a very aggressive range of sideways that we've experienced since the beginning of 2021. We've been, you know, traveling through this multi tens of thousands of dollars range here that has been allowing for some very interesting activity, some very interesting accumulation, some very interesting adoption, and some very interesting speculations. So watch out for abrupt changes in momentum in cryptocurrency. You know, we always have to watch out for the sudden 20-30% pullbacks that we may need to experience for us to continue having hundreds of percentages in upside. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with the link in the description, and tune in for the next one.